Hello, everyone. My name is Kelly Jessamy. I apologize for not being able to record the video. My webcam is acting up. I actually ordered a new one, so it should arrive pretty soon. I included a picture of me and my husband just to add a personal effect to the video since I wasn't able to record live. Again, my name is Kelly Jessamy. I am currently working for a healthcare provider agency or organization called UHS. It's a Fortune 500 for-profit organization. I work in their behavioral health division. My title is Chief Operating Officer. Currently, I am actually in their leadership development program, training to hopefully be a CEO of one of their residential treatment centers. So I'm placed in Tennessee at a youth facility that specializes in providing treatment services for children who have a history of sexual offenses. The basic structure of me developmentally is my parents are separated. I am my mother's only child, and my father has two stepsons, one older than me, one younger, and I have a younger sister on my paternal side. One interesting role that I have played over the course of the last year is my mother, she became ill, and I became a caregiver and a medical power of attorney over her. And it really brought insight to me into the role of the family in treatment and recovery, and how helpless at times you feel and how dependent you are on the service providers to give you information and help you to navigate the system. That being said, one of the burning questions I have is, how do you support families through that have a child who has offended against a sibling? And how can we work to try to improve the family dynamic and help them to recover through such a traumatic event? Thank you. I really look forward to working with each and every one of you and learning through this class. Have a good evening.